In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check Google Drive hacked or not. If you're worried about unusual activity in Google Drive, the most reliable way to confirm it isn't to dig through files alone. It's to review your overall Google account security. I'll walk you through exactly what to check, what the red flags look like, and what to do if something seems off. Start by opening your Google account. You can go to myaccount.google.com or click your profile picture on any Google page and choose Manage your Google account. Once you're there, open the Security tab and look for Recent Security Events. Select Review Security Events and carefully scan the list. Pay close attention to any sign-in you don't recognize, strange locations, unfamiliar devices, or password changes you didn't make. Times are shown in your time zone and locations are approximate. If you use a VPN or recently traveled, some variation can be normal, but anything you truly don't recognize is a strong warning sign. Next, in the Security tab, find your devices and choose Manage Devices. You'll see phones, computers, and browsers currently signed in. Make sure every device listed is one you own or used. If you see a device, browser, or operating system you don't recognize, treat that as suspicious. You can select a device to see when it was last active. Unexpected recent activity is particularly concerning. Now check activity directly in Google Drive. Open Drive and review your recent view, or open the Activity panel to see what's been happening with your files. Look for files deleted without your action, uploads you didn't make, or shares you didn't send. If content seems to be moving, appearing, or disappearing on its own, that's a red flag you shouldn't ignore. Also, take a moment to scan your inbox for Google security alerts. Messages like "New sign-in detected," "Password changed," or "Recovery email changed" are important signals. If you find any of these and you didn't initiate the change, assume your account may be compromised. For a comprehensive review, run Google's Security Checkup at myaccountgoogle.com Security Checkup. This tool automatically evaluates password safety, signed-in devices, third-party access, and other security risks, then gives you recommended actions. It's the fastest official way to surface problems. If you suspect hacking at any point, act immediately. Change your password to a strong, unique one, enable two-step verification, sign out of all devices, and remove any access you don't recognize. Taking these steps quickly limits damage and helps you regain control of your Google Drive and your entire account.